But first, let's see what Tack Renata from FHIA has for us today.
I'm Tack Renata with FHIA, and today we're at an installation where the homeowner expressed to us that the biggest reason for changing out these windows was they didn't want to mess with the shutters anymore. They had put up the shutters the previous hurricane seasons, and this year it's just something they didn't want to tackle. So they had us come out, we showed them a bunch of different options, several different manufacturers, and he chose a great window from Custom Window Systems that's going to provide him the hurricane protection he's looking for. We're going to get rid of this old jealousy style window. It's going to be a lot easier for him to open and close, and he's also going to have the added benefit of energy efficiency as well. So let's take a look at how the installation's going. So there's a few different windows in this home. We had originally looked at some of the old jealousy style windows, but this one, I'm using the word newer, it's not newer, but it's certainly newer than the old jealousy style windows, and it's a sliding window. This was replaced at one time, but it's no protection, no energy efficiency, and definitely needed to go if we wanted to make sure this home was secure and safe for the hurricane season. So we're going to get rid of these windows as well. We also got rid of the old jealousy styles. We're putting in this great product from Custom Window Systems. This is going to be a sliding window just like what they have now, but it's going to give them the hurricane protection they were looking for. We also ordered the Solar Max glass, so it's going to reflect all the heat away from the space. They also took advantage of lifetime warranties that were available. If anything should happen to this window at any point while they own the home or sell it to the next homeowner, they're fully guaranteed. So the manufacturer will send us a brand new one and pay for us to install it for them if anything should go wrong at any point in the future. So they love that extra benefit. So the crews are just putting the finishing touches on this installation. Everything's going really well. The homeowner's loving their new windows. They already see the added benefits. The home's starting to feel a lot more comfortable already with the energy efficiency. And they're also really excited about how well they're going to be protected for this hurricane season and loving the fact they're not going to have to mess with the shutters anymore. So everything went really well. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.